Hello and welcome fellow AI-matic enthusiasts, and this is a new update showing you a new OmniBlock type that was added to AI-matic, which will allow you to transcribe audio to text. So this is using AI features from OpenAI, and this example audio, let me play it for you, will be transcribed by the OmniBlock in no time. So let me play this.
Hi there, this is your text to MP3 voice.
Okay, so we will use this URL to automatically transcribe this. So I add this URL here. Oh, so I mixed up the URL. So yeah, this is the URL. So we have the URL added here, and we can add the new OmniBlock type. So if you select here, besides the add OmniBlock, select the OmniBlock type that was added recently, speech to text, OpenAI. Click add OmniBlock and delete other OmniBlock types that you had. And we have now here the OmniBlock type that was added recently. So in the audio URL, you can add the keyword shortcode, which will be replaced with what you enter here, or you can directly enter the URL. This is your choice. So you can use anything you want. So you can use the keyword shortcode, or you can directly enter the URL. So I use the keyword shortcode. So I can also add a prompt here, transcribe this audio file. You can add any details here in the prompt, which will be sent to the AI as additional instructions. Purpose can be transcriptions or translations. If you want to translate the file, you can use translations and set the language in prompt. You can select the model. Note that I added these new models, which also can be used for this language, the 2-letter language that you want to use, and also temperature. So you can set the temperature that the AI can use. Okay, so keep in mind that the transcription can be fed into other OmniBlocks. So this is the purpose of OmniBlocks, that this OmniBlock transcribes the audio file and creates text for it, and the text can be fed into upcoming OmniBlocks. So for example, let's create an AI text, add OmniBlock, and here we will be able to use the audio transcript shortcode, which will be generated by our audio transcription OmniBlock, speech to text OmniBlock. And here you can say that write an article about this text, and simply like this you feed into it an audio file. This OmniBlock transcribes the audio file, and you can feed the result into AI text, and afterwards you can create new posts, and you can do many cool stuff using other OmniBlock types. But now let's save this and let me show you how this will work. So if we configure it, we can run this OmniBlock now. So this will run, and it will show the text of the MP3 file. So hi there, this is your text to MP3 voice. So this is exactly the text that we had here.
Hi there, this is your text to MP3 voice.
Okay.
Hi there.
So as you can see, this is the transcript, and we can also run this, for example, and the AI will generate an article based on this text. Hi there, this is your text to MP3 voice. And keep in mind, you can create posts using transforming text into speech, the convenience of text to MP3 voice technology. So this is just an example article that the AI wrote, and you can add another OmniBlock type to save this as a WordPress post to send to Facebook, YouTube, Google My Business, and many more cool stuff can be done with OmniBlocks. Keep in mind you have now also the ability to use speech to text using OpenAI API. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching. If you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. I read all comments and reply to them. Like, share, subscribe. It's really appreciated. Have a nice day. Bye bye.